Oops, and we are live. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. My name is Abatan Sheriffdeen, and welcome back to Excel Island. Basically, what I do on this channel is I am trying to upskill myself as a data analyst using the resources on the Datacamp platform. I am currently a top rated plus freelance data analyst on the Upwork platform. I've achieved major success, so I decided to upskill myself in SQL. Sorry about that. Power BI, Python. I basically use Excel to work almost every day as a freelancer. So I kind of learn and practice Excel almost every day. I even take new courses, practice new formulas. So I decided to upskill myself in SQL, Power BI, and Python using the resources on the Datacamp platform. And I've been doing it. I decided to set a goal of 100 days for myself to try as much as possible to try as much as possible to cover all the necessary concepts or technicalities about the SQL or about SQL generally, and try as much as possible to build portfolio. So today is day 67. I've been able to achieve consistency and build up a learning habit. So I'm on the career track data analysis in SQL. If I go to tracks, try to show you what that career track looks like, which I've done so many times. So this career track, this data analyst in SQL career track, I'm 75% almost till the end. So after that, I'm starting the data analyst in Power BI career track also. So you want to subscribe right now, put on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I go live. So back to the data analyst in SQL career track. So these career tracks actually contain 11 courses broken down and one project. So 11 courses is broken down in total of 39 hours. So far, so good. I've been able to cover up till the ninth course. So we have the 10th course, 11th course, then the final project, a statement of accomplishments, and also it comes with a data camp certification where you get to practice and write the data camp exam live on the website. So I will also be live streaming that journey. Also, I'll probably read their terms and conditions if I can do something of such, live streaming the exam. So back to this. So I just continue from where I stopped yesterday. Today is day 67. The goal is to make sure I complete this career track by day 100. Probably I'll complete it before the 100th day, where I get to also build more portfolios and share those on my social media also. Probably I also share how I come up with portfolio. This is getting data access online to practice SQL queries. So let's continue from here. Data-driven decision making. This is the course I am currently on day from day 66, which was yesterday. I'll continue from here today. So while that is coming up, so as I said earlier, I'm a top rated plus freelance data analyst. I've had major success on the platform due to the influence of a coach. So I have a coach who has put me through how to navigate the freelancing world. So his name is Benga Debi. So and he has a course currently on which is called the Freelance Clients Magnet course. So what this course does is that it teaches us to also become a successful freelancer and run a successful freelancing business, at least like I am a little freelancing business that I'm trying to come up with. So I'll leave a link to the course in the YouTube description to make sure to check it out. And I'll see you in the community of freelancers with like minds. So let's continue from this course. So actually I completed the chapter 1 of this course 3 days ago. I started the chapter 2. So I should have the slide. So I was like opening this slide. This slide being used to explain it now also so I can follow along this slide. So journey movie ratings with customer data. We go to where that is in my slide. Let's do some learning today. So the learning is usually 30 minutes plus 5 minutes, 1 hour. Let's learn some new concept. So I'm trying to change my microphone to the headset, the speaker to the headset rather.
Until now, we have only discussed.
Selected the wrong. Oh, actually, I've not even plugged it. Just do that really quick. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's go.
Until now, we have only discussed simple SQL queries involving retrieving data from a single table. Join queries allow us to combine or join data from multiple tables. You should know how to use joins from the prerequisite course about joining data in SQL, which covers many different join statements. In this course, you will only need left joins, which we will review now. The left join statement is one of the outer joins and is used to augment one table, that is the table on the left, with information from a second table, the table on the right. We keep all rows from the left table and use only the rows from the right table which can be matched. This is also illustrated by the figure. An identifier is needed to define which rows of the two tables can be matched. Before we can start joining tables, let's see how we can use an alias to name a table. We will need this later for the join queries. In this simple query, we give the table customers the alias or name C. The word as could be omitted, but we will always use it for better readability. To access the columns of this table, we now use c.columnName. In this example, this means that we look for the column customer ID only in the table C. This will be important when we have several tables with the same column names. So here we have two tables which we want to join. Renting selected and customer selected. We want to augment the left table with information from the right table, which means we want to add the customer information to each recorded movie rental in the table renting selected. In order to do so, we need to identify which table rows belong to each other. This matching can be done with customer ID. So, how can we go about joining this data with an SQL query? First, we select all columns from the table renting selected and give the table the name R. Then comes the clause left join with the second table customer selected, which is named C. Finally, after the word on, we have to specify under which condition the join can take place. That is, when customer ID in the renting table matches customer ID in the customers table. It is also common to say we join on customer ID. Let's now take a look at the resulting table. The first three columns are identical to the table renting selected. New columns are added from the table customer selected. In the table customer selected, we have a record with customer ID equals to 3. Since customer ID 3 doesn't appear in the left table, this record is not included in the result. Customer ID 4 appears 2 times in the left table, so the customer information of Julia Jung is matched with the renting table twice. Customer ID 5 appears only in the left table. Therefore, the columns for the customer data are filled with null values. If we want to know Julia Jung is matched with the renting table twice. Customer ID 5 appears only in the left table. Therefore, the columns for the customer data are filled with null values. If we want to know which customer watched which movie, and it is not enough for us to just have customer ID and movie ID, but we would also like to know the name of the customer and the title of the movie, then we have to join 3 tables to gather all this information. In this query, we augment the table renting, first with the information from the table movies, and then with another left join with the information from the table customers. In the select clause, we choose the title from the table movies with m.title and the name from the table customers with c.name. Now it's your turn again.
Okay, let's practice. So let's say we want to join renting the customers, which is okay. We have the renting table here. We have the customers table. Definitely the customer ID is a common column between the two tables for our joining clause should work. It says for many analyses, it is necessary to add customer information to the data in the table renting. Clear this. The instruction says augment the table renting with all columns from the table customers with a left join. So join renting with customers. So I'm starting with renting. So I want to join this renting ID, customer ID, movie ID. So we want to return the renting ID, the customer that match the customer ID from this customer table. We want to return movie ID, the renting, then the date renting. So we select star from renting. Select join customers on say renting dot customer underscore ID equals to customers dot customer ID. That should do the trick there for us. Easy coding. So we have joined the two tables together, but the left join is the only way to return all the records from the renting table and any matching record from the customer table based on the customer ID that is common to both tables. Let's submit that and see. That's correct. So select only records from customers coming from Belgium. So select star from renting as R, left join customers as C, on R underscore customer ID dot customer ID, then C dot customer ID, where only records from customers coming from Germany. Where you can see where the customer country. Where the customer country. You can say you want to filter where country, and the idea is that there's no country in the renting table. So if I just reference country immediately, that should do the trick. Where country is equal to Belgium. Let's run the code and see. You can see the query results here. You can see the country Belgium. Go out here. Let me switch on my camera real quickly. You can see Belgium from here. When I record it later to country of Belgium. Let's submit that. And that's correct. So average rating of customers from Belgium. We also add the calculation to it. The average rating. If I go to the renting column, I want to average this rating results here. I could just copy that. Okay, that will be AVG rating. Let's run the code and see. And boom, we have one result. So the average rating for customers in Germany for the is what 8.9. Boom. That's correct. Superb. Let's continue. Let's solve more queries. Oh, we must do this section because this is aggregating revenue, rentals, and active customers. So the management of the movie now wants to report key performance indicators, which are KPI, for the performance of the company in 2018. They are interested in measuring the financial success as well as user engagement. Important KPIs are therefore the revenue coming from movie rentals and the number of movie rentals, and the number of active customers. We want to know the revenue coming from movie rentals, that is from the movies and renting, the number of movies rentals, the number of movies that was rented, and the number of active customers that they have. So first, you need to join movies to renting, include the renting price. So you want to join movies to renting, but we're after the what? The renting price on this movie. The renting price is in the movies to here. So the renting price is in the movies table, right here. So let's just say let's start from renting as R. Inner join. Should we see inner join? These are the alias for the tables M and R. Definitely a left join there. Left join. Left join. Movies as M. Choose the correct join statement. Definitely the movie ID. Definitely the movie ID. On renting. Does the movie ID. That should be movie ID. Equals to movies dot the movie ID. Let's run the code and see. Ooh. Well, that's supposed to be since I have alias there, I'm supposed to use the aliases there. That's correct. R and M. I've given the aliases from here. So if you run the code again, and that should be correct. We have all the two tables joined together based on the left join. Now calculate the revenue coming from movie rentals, the number of movie rentals, and the number of customers who rented the movie. That's a lot. Calculate the revenue from movie rentals. Since we join the two tables, let's calculate the revenue. Where's the revenue column? That's the renting price. So we just get the revenue for movie rentals. Just say sum the movie. Then we need to sum the renting price. Renting. Hold up. Renting price. Count the number of rentals. Definitely want to count. Could say count star. Count the rentals. We say count the renting ID. Renting underscore ID. Let's give us the number of rentals. Then count the number of customers. Just say let's count the customer ID also from here. Then I need to specify where that should be coming from. But definitely there is no customer ID in this table, in this movies table. I could just reference the customer ID from here. Let's see if that will do the trick. On the customer ID. Let's go ID. Let's see. And boom. So the total rentals, get the revenue from the month rentals is 1,275. The count of rental is 578. Then the number of customers. Okay, let's submit that and see. Enter the movie. Ooh. So I should be doing reference in the table and column reference. So the renting price is coming from the movies table. To do renting there. So this one is referencing the table name and the column name. The renting ID is coming from R. Then the customer is coming from R also. That's another time. Got the same thing, then that should be correct. Well, this is to just do count star. Count the number of rentals. I'm counting renting ID. You want to count star, just the star. So probably number of rentals being higher than, okay, definitely higher. It's still the same thing. If I'm counting the column, if I'm counting the stars, it's still the same thing. But why? Don't tell me that last one is not correct. I knew it. Count the number of customers. The customers that are here, that are in the renting ID, the count star say, I'm not saying where I'm counting the star for, which is not fair, whether it is the renting table or the movies table. Okay, it's telling me number of customers. So I'm counting the customer ID here. You're saying that is wrong. The customers are where? Count the number of customers from our counting here by the customer ID. But tell me to count star one more time. That won't be fair. Okay, let me remove the R there. We just count the customer ID. Definitely know that customer ID is coming from that same table. Still the same error. Why? I'm expecting me to count star also now. That's not fair. I'll still get same results. Yeah. Let's see what it means there. Okay, count. Okay, to get number of customers, count distinct customer ID. Number of customers. Ooh. That's two. Man. That's two. Still a mistake there. See, but they didn't say count distance. The customer ID. Talking about the number of customers at distance. So the last one. So we have 16, 116 customers that actually rented what? The number of rentals. Those are unique customers. I should have thought of that because this renting price column, the customer can rent multiple times in multiple days. Okay, I should have thought of that. Now, you can report these values for the year 2018. Calculate the revenues in 2018, number of movie rentals, and the number of active customers in 2018. An active customer is a customer who rented at least one movie in 2018. You can say where date renting. Should we say 2018? When you look for movie rentals in 2018. No, so how do we do that now? If you say where date renting, you want to stay between the year 2018. An active customer is a customer who rented at least one movie in 2018. If I do where date renting between, let me see if that trick is going to work. Between, I say between 2018, 01, 01, and so within the and 2018, 12, 2018, 12, 31st. So I'm trying to stay within the year 2018 alone. Let's see the code. Let's run the code and see. And boom, so we filter to the year of 2018 alone. Let's submit that and see if we are correct. And boom, we got that correctly. We were able to stay within the 1st of January 2018 to the 31st of December 2018. We got our calculation correctly. The last one, movies and actors. You are asked to give an overview of which actors play in which movie. That's true. It says create a list of actors' names and movie titles in which they act. List of actors' name, and the acting. We need the actor name from here. The actor name. I'm going to say movies. We are joining like two more table now. So create a list of actor names and the movie titles in which they act. So we need to set the movie title. You can say so movie title will definitely be here. So I can say m.title there. And I say okay, give me the movie title, which is m.title. Not titles, is title. Then create a list of actor names and the movie title with the acting. Then the actor name will be from the actors table, which is a actors. Definitely actors. And let's starting from this movie, is the actor. Let's create a list of the actor name and the movie title in which they act. So make sure that each combination of actor and movies appears only once. Use alias for the table acting, the two letters AI. Okay, so we have to say from acting, we're getting this first acting from here. We definitely know the movie the actor acted in. Acting as AI. No acting. Left join movies as M on movies underscore ID. The movie underscore movie ID here. Then the AI acting underscore movie ID. So AI dot movie ID not underscore movie ID. So we need to join this actor so we can get the actor name. So now join actors as A on actor A dot actor ID equals to which table is common to this acting ID, which is this other one. Acting AI. I see the actor ID here. Also see the actor ID here. From here. When the movies, the actor only what we have here is the movie ID. We need to join these actors and accent together based on the what? The actor actor ID from here. So it's kind of tricky. Joining three tables together. The actor ID. If we run the code, we should be fine. Ooh, hold up. Where is the error from? A dot actor does not exist. What do you mean by that? A dot actors. The actors. I have to get the name. Actor's name. So I've said my actors here is A. Why? So the accent, you have the name here. No, I don't have the name there. So that shouldn't be a problem. Come on, something is missing there. Oh, okay. Imagine I'm referencing actors. Instead of referencing the name. That was a silly mistake. Also, it's referencing the name of the actor from the actors table. And boom. So my query is now correct. You can see the title of the movie and the actor that actually acted or acting in the movie. So let's submit that and see. Sorry about that. Boom. We got it. Nice one. Boom. We just finished that. Oh, that was easy peasy. Quite straightforward. I think we should stop here today. Let's finish this part of the course tomorrow. We'll go back to my dashboard. Getting it already. Alright, so thanks for staying to the end of the live stream. So if you found value in this live stream, do give the video a thumbs up, support the channel by subscribing to the channel and put on the notification bell so that you support the channel in your own little way. Also, do not forget to check out my course, my coach course, the freelance clients magnet course, which teaches you how to become a successful freelancer and run a successful freelancing business. I'll leave a link to the course under the YouTube description. Alright, bye for now. I'll see you on day 68 tomorrow. Peace out.